y'all, and welcome back to another video. My name is Kimmy if you are new here, and today we're going to be doing a winter haul part. I don't even know. If you guys haven't checked out the first 2, 3, 4 whatever parts, go ahead and check that out. I have band stuff. I love me a good pair of bands. I have FashionNova. So with that said, let's go. Y'all, really, like, what the heck, FashionNova? Like, these are literally one of the only pair of pants that I got in my size in a 1X. And I was like, bag lady, like, what is this? I can fit a whole nother person in these pants. What the heck? And I actually did get my size this time. I would definitely say if you are getting these pants, definitely size down. Maybe even 2 sizes, but very certainly at least 1. Like, what is this? I got like clown pants on. These were so cute in the picture though. Like, I can't lie, they were so cute, but oh my gosh, like, no. These are not true to size. What is this? What? Y'all, I'm all kind of discombobulated. Like, what is going on with these pants? The string don't help. Like, anyway, I definitely have to send these back. I know they are cargo pants and they are supposed to fit baggy, but not this baggy. I shouldn't be able to feel like a whole nother person in my pants. Like, what? But they are cute though. I will definitely send them back and size down a couple sizes. I had to put some shorts on under this so I can even show you guys. Like, what is this? What y'all think? Y'all think they too big? I definitely think they're too big, but no. No. What are these, hammer pants? Like, stop. Hammer time. Like, what is this? But actually, I would get a smaller size though, because these are cute. But I can't wear this like this. Size down. I'm not gonna lie. Like I said in the other video, these jackets definitely look like little kid sizes. But when you put it on, it's like a magic trick. Like, it actually fit. I'm not understanding what's happening here. But anyway, I love this red. Okay, like a pop of color. Oh, okay. Well, shut me up, why don't you? Okay. I feel like it's actually gonna fit. Oh, I think it's like the black jacket. Well, let me not talk too soon, because I don't know what it is. Yeah, no, it's like the black jacket from the other video. You can make it into a crop top. Like, the bottom of this, like, it doesn't stretch that much. And I think I got this in like a size extra large or large. But the bottom doesn't stretch that much, so if you're gonna wear it as like a regular jacket, again, get your size, or maybe like even a size up if you like it like a little looser, because this fits. But if you want to wear it as a crop top jacket or a red one too, this is gonna be so cute, y'all. Like, I love it. Like, you pull the sides. Yeah, oh my gosh, that is so cute. I absolutely love this jacket. I would definitely recommend. I say, yeah, the pop of color too. What you doing? A lot. Yeah, I like it. I would definitely recommend. 10 out of 10. All right, y'all, so these are the new release bands. Y'all know I love bands, and I am absolutely in love with these shoes. Like, I forget what they're called, but they literally almost just released them. They are like, the soles are like thick, and the inside of the shoe is like really super comfortable. Like, if you're looking for a pair of comfortable shoes, like, this is literally it. They fit tight on your feet, and yeah, like, these shoes are everything, y'all. And like, it's pink. They are pink. Like, what more could you ask for? I get my shoes in a size 11. Again, as I always say, I wear a 10.5, but I like them to fit a little bit loose, and just so it can be comfortable. But yeah, y'all, these shoes are like super cool. You have to get a pair. Like, you have to try them out. Damn, they're tight. Sheesh, what they trying to keep out of here? Alright, y'all, so this is what this bodysuit looks like on. I got this bodysuit actually in red, green, black, and this mustard color. I tried on the red and the green one in the previous video, so if you haven't checked that out, make sure you go check that out. But this is my 4th color, and I didn't think that I was gonna actually put this in a video because this package actually just came today, so you guys got a little bonus. But yeah, I actually really like this color, and I like the way the bodysuit fits. Like I said in the last video, I thought that I wasn't gonna be able to fit it, so I was like holding my breath when I saw that this was an extra large, because the previous bodysuits that I got from FashionNova, I got them in a 1X and they fit. One time I got it in an extra large and it didn't fit, so when I saw this was an extra large, I was like, ah, but it actually fits, and it's like a really stretchy, so I really like it. It's cute. It's like a good office look, or you can like dress it up for other things, but I think this is really cute and it's really comfortable. Like, it feels good on your skin, so definitely recommend. 10 out of 10 FashionNova. And I got it in black, and I'm about to show you the black one. Alright guys, and this is the black one. It's the same style, same bodysuit, same size. It's just a different color. So all of the colors in this bodysuit are really nice. Like, the bodysuit fits very well, so I would recommend it in any color. Like, they're super soft, like I said, and they're very comfortable as well. So I love them. I would definitely wear them, and I love me a good bodysuit. I love everything. Like, shopping is just, it's like therapy. It just feels so great. But anyway, that is a wrap for this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know which one was your favorite, and also follow me on Instagram to see how I style these outfits. Until next time.